Hello you guys, and welcome back to Brittany Allen Crafts. If you're a returning subscriber, you already know I love and adore you. If you're new here, hi, my name is Brittany. I'm a self-diagnosed Dollar Tree addict with a love for budget-friendly home decor. If these are things that you're into too, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you don't miss an upload. I swear you won't regret it. If you didn't see our Dollar Tree Fall Challenge, I will link that playlist down in the description of this video. Now, before I get into what this challenge is and what the rules are to participate, let me first tell you a little about Allie and who she is and what her channel is all about. Allie has a channel here on YouTube called Actually Alli where she does DIYs, room makeovers, and so much more. I definitely recommend you go check her out once you finish watching this video. I will link Allie's channel down below in the description as well. Alright, let's get into what this challenge is and what the rules are for you to participate. This challenge for the month of October is the Dollar Tree Halloween DIY Challenge. The rules are as follows. Rule number 1, we want you to create 1 to as many Halloween DIYs as your little heart desires. Rule number 2 for this challenge is to use Dollar Tree materials for your DIYs. This does not include paint, glue, fabric, or any of those other things that you're not going to find at Dollar Tree. Now, if you're located outside of the U.S. or just somewhere that doesn't have a Dollar Tree, that is okay because we want everyone to participate. Rule number 3 for this challenge is that you will need to have your video uploaded on October 14th by 4 p.m. Central, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The playlist will open up at 12 p.m. Central, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for you guys to start uploading your videos to. So as soon as it opens up, all you'll need to do is link your video into the playlist, and if you need any help with that, just reach out to me or Allie and we can definitely either upload the video to the playlist for you or we can show you how. Rule number 4, you will need to mention the host, Actually Alli, the co-host, Brittany Allen Crafts, and that you're participating in the Dollar Tree Halloween DIY Challenge. And you will need to say this in your video at some point. The 5th and final rule to this challenge is to link the host, co-host, and the link to the playlist for the challenge in the description of your video. This is just a little side note, but the last challenge I did shout out each and every one that participated in the challenge. Now, I wanted to be able to tie a name with the YouTube channel if the name of the person was not in the title of their YouTube channel. So, if you know you're going to participate in this month's challenge, go ahead and comment down below that you're participating and what your name is, or if there's something else that you would like to be called in the video when I shout you out. I would appreciate that so much. Alright, that's everything you need to know in order to participate on October 14th, again at 4 p.m. Central, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can start uploading at 12 p.m. Central, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Happy crafting!